Hi, I'm Aaron and I'm in the kitchen, and today I am making strawberry icebox cake. Let's get into it. Okay, so I already have my cake dish. It's a loaf pan, but I have my cake dish lined with plastic wrap to make it easier to pull out. You'll see why later. And I just poured hot water into this metal bowl to heat up this container of cream cheese, because this is what we're using today. But while this is heating up, because I'm so scatterbrained right now, while this is heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my strawberries and then I'll chat with y'all. Of course, my strawberries are washed already. If you even were wondering, they're washed already. Just gonna kind of slice these like this here, because I'm gonna layer them and get them all nice inside of my dish. So I'm just cutting off the top here. And when you see me sliding them off, if you can't see the trash bowl, which you probably can't see, there's a trash bowl under here. Yeah. Oh, it's gonna be so pretty. By the way, this is gonna be one of the first videos that is going to be the launch for our website. We have a website, y'all. So normally, yay! So normally I put the recipes in the description, but from now on I will be linking the website down below for you guys to go over, check it out, show us some love. And all of the recipes will be over there from this point. Well, actually there'll be a couple of recipes already on there before this video, but from this point on, the recipes will be on the website. And also, because of that, you actually might see some recipes pop up on the website before they even come on YouTube. So keep an eye out. Could you insert a small scrolling, well, not small, but like a pan of our website going? Okay, great. So by the time I cut these strawberries, my cream cheese should be warm enough for me to proceed with that. This cake is one that you can eat in 4 hours after putting it into your fridge, but I'm gonna let mine sit overnight. And hopefully the next time you see me, I will actually have on a different outfit. I swear, y'all, it's not the same day. I swear. I just like wearing this. This is my comfy thing that I wear at home. So for the strawberries, I'm using 250 grams of strawberries. First ingredient, I'll let you know about that. Okay, so first thing into my bowl is 1 cup or 200 milliliters of heavy whipping cream. Ooh. Don't do what I just did, y'all. This is a recipe that you can do by hand. You don't need any tools. So today I'm gonna use my hands, elbow grease, to get this thing going. I'm putting 8 ounces of cream cheese, well, a little bit more than 8 ounces, because this is 265 grams of cream cheese. 8 ounces of cream cheese is 225 grams. So it's just, if you have this container, like the family pack container, just use one of those. Ooh. Into our mixture, the zest of 1 whole lemon is going in as soon as I take the shield off. The lemon is just gonna help brighten up the strawberries and have some acidity in the dish in order to break up some of the fat from the cheese and cream. This is like one of my favorite smells in the world. That freshly zested lemon smell. Oh. Especially when you get it all over your hands. Oh, I love it. Okay, just using the back of my finger to slide all of that down. All right, try one more time to get this. It smells so good. The cameraman says it smells so good if you can hear him. All right. Now just using a whisk. I'm gonna mash my cream cheese. Oh yeah, we're soft enough. Yeah. So if you don't know the whisk trick, you can, not whisk trick, but the cream cheese trick. If you need to quickly warm up some cream cheese because you forgot to set it out at room temperature, you can just use some hot water to warm up your cream cheese, and it warms up very, very fast. Yeah. I have to pick this up. So I'm picking it up over here for y'all so you can see me. Can't see what I'm doing, so I'm gonna put it back down on the table, but I'm getting my mixture really, really thick. All of that liquidy texture for the cream cheese is going. Also, you can make whipped cream by hand too. You just have to have a strong hand at it, and essentially that's what I'm doing. Woo. Okay, and that's the texture that we want. Nice thicker texture. Okay, the next thing we're gonna go in with is 120 grams of powdered sugar. That's our sweetness for this. Don't forget to turn on your scale. I almost made a rookie mistake there. That's pretty much the only thing I was gonna use the scale for today. Awesome. All right, let's incorporate this. Okay, I'm gonna give this a taste. I'm gonna give it a taste to gauge the sweetness here. I really don't think I'm gonna add more, but hopefully I didn't mess it up. Oh, perfect. I'm leaving it right there. All right. So here, didn't even use this because I already knew it was a cup. Okay, first thing I'm doing in the layer is I'm going down with some of my cream. Just as my base. Right? And Biscoff cookies. So let's see how many packs of Biscoff cookies I'm using. But let's see. This is 200 grams of Biscoff cookies. Let's see how many packs I use. I'm hoping to only use 2 maximum. Let's see. So I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge overnight because it's gonna turn these Biscoff cookies. It's called an Icebox cake, right? It's because these Biscoff cookies are going to be so soft and so tender and delicate and delicious and scrumdiddlyumptious that they are gonna turn into a cake filling flavor just in the fridge. So it's like fridge baking. Actually, that might need to be a series, fridge baking. But as of now, this is a part of the Don't Turn on Your Damn Oven series. It's a working title, you know, bear with me. All right, I'm happy with this. I only used 1 pack of Biscoff cookies. All right, now pour in the remaining bit of our cream on here. All right, let's just spread it out. Cover up our strawberries, cover up our cookies. The beast is awake. And don't worry, she's totally fine. She just wants pets. But the cameraman is on it. All right, so now I am covering up our cake. And I will see you tomorrow for the epic conclusion and taste test. Ciao for now. Okay, it's time for the taste test. Y'all, my cake, I'm sure it's gonna taste good, but it is so hot. In Vienna right now, it's almost 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Y'all, it's so hot. And my cake, when I pulled it out, it just started to melt and melt and melt and melt and melt. So I'm going to eat this before it melts. It's delicious. Y'all. Oh my God, that's just dancing in my mouth. You remember the lemon zest that I put into the frosting layer? It's a perfect complement to the cookies. It brings out the strawberry flavor with such intensity. Plus the vanillic flavor that you get from the Biscoff cookies, it just intensifies it. Oh, it is absolutely delicious. I think this is my second favorite summer dessert that I've made so far this summer. I think this is my second favorite summer dessert that I've made. This is my favorite summer dessert that I've made. Second favorite. My first favorite is definitely the chocolate mousse, but this is my second favorite. Look, I just want to show you, I don't know, Mr. Cameraman, can you see how easily I can just spoon through those cookies, right? Just perfectly. And they turn into this delicious cake. So good. Y'all, this is a 10. You got to try this. I hope you guys have enjoyed what you saw. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And look at all of the recipes on the website. Some old ones, some new ones. Check us out. Thanks for watching. Click the website. See you there.